Hi there, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Cash App card not unlocking. So the first thing you should know is that you can actually lock and unlock your Cash App card through the Cash App very quickly and in a very simple way. So to unlock your card, you can simply go to your Cash App, tap the Cash Card tab on your Cash App home screen and toggle Unlock Card. So you can simply follow these steps to unlock your card on the Cash App. You can also do it online by logging into your Cash App account on Cash App official website, which is cash.app/account. After you go there, you can find on the left side money, so click on it and then toggle unlock card in the cash card section on the right. So you can simply unlock your cash card on your app or also through the website. Super easy, but if you are having an issue doing this, that might be because you need to verify unlocking your card with your cash pin. So make sure that you are using the right pin, because if you don't, Cash App will not let you unlock your card. But if you are quite sure that you are using the right pin and doing whatever needs to be done but still unable to unlock your card, then the only thing you can do is to actually contact Cash App support team and go from there. They will be able to advise you what to do.